Welcome back. Now that we have taken our inventory and placed our orders, we are going to be assembling our packaging. Packaging is the single most important element in the consumer's decision to purchase a new specialty product. Attractive packaging type and design are paramount to success in the specialty food trade. By virtue their differentiation in their categories, such products mainstream a high perceived value and often command a premium price. Packaging is a portal to the digital world. The specialty food retail business thrives on appealing to the senses. Consumers' attitudes towards specialty foods are influenced by what appears to be exclusive, new, and different. We believe it is up to the consumer after our satisfactions have been met, and for that reason, I will reiterate what some of our valuable and very cherished friends in the community around the world have said about our packaging. You can read our testimonials at www.culinarycouture.com/p/testimonials. culinarycouture.com/p/testimonials. Great event. Shout out to Culinary Couture for hooking me up with the gold gilded cocoa pate. Never had anything like it. Would definitely try this again. Mims, a multi-platinum wrapper. I honestly was Googling and searching to prepare for our event, and while I was searching, I found the name of your company, Culinary Couture, on top as the luxury chocolates brands in the world. Miss Amina Al-Shari Nair, Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. As a cocoa maniac, I adore your lovely pate. Me and some of my friends in the office had it and we all loved it. Actually, there's no words to explain our pleasure, but I have some photos for you. Kisses, Bukuru, Istanbul, Turkey. We arrived back home to a package with your unbelievable delicious pates. OMG. It made me quickly forget the gelato I ate every day in Italy. Also, I must say, in addition to the exquisite flavor of your creation, the wording and sentiments evoked by your packaging bring the entire experience to a whole new joyous level. Thank you, says Kenneth Olshow, president of Tins Plus. I brought them with me to share with friends in Washington, D.C., and we all love the swag. And now I see why you use swag to describe it, because it should be a gift in the Oscar swag bag, right? Both the pate and the crisp were the highest quality and delicious, and your presentation was great too. Thank you, Mr. Larry Finkel, Director of Food and Beverage Research, Market and Research in North America. Dessert deluxe perfect, luxury rich and famous magazine claims in Romania. I live for Culinary Couture. I had the lavender rose cocoa pate. I've never tasted chocolate like this before. It's so rich. You have to eat it slow, little by little. I would recommend this to my colleagues, claims Jay Johnson, celebrity stylist. Hopefully we'll be able to work together with Culinary Couture. We at Exude Magazine in New York are big fans. Jenna Stevenson, marketing coordinator for Exude Magazine, New York City. Truly a delight. I will share here at Martha Stewart Living Omedia. Teresa Tussolino, Vice President Licensing Marketing for Martha Stewart Living on Media. I shared the wonderful cocoa pate and the cocoa covered almonds. What a hit! We all love them. Great packaging too. Miss Suzanne Shepard, Architecture Interior Design Program, UCLA Extension, Department of the Arts. It's exquisite. I was blown away by the packaging, exclaimed Christine Coda from New York City. They are delicious. Everything about them exudes quality and class. Miss Cheryl Riley, Principal, Cheryl Riley Design Incorporated. The wow factor Culinary Couture, cocoa pate, a must for swag bags, a fabulous dinner gift for a host or hostess. Don't forget yourself for this taste, this sensation. Mr. Steve Sellery, Vice President, International Sales and Marketing, Robert Crowder and Company. I was blown away. The packaging, the presentation, and then on top of it, you open it up and there's a little knife inside. This type of marketing just gets me. Elisa Leon, Principal, Western Sky Design, Los Angeles, California. I love the almonds, not too sweet, with intense cacao, and the serving tongs, a pleasant surprise. Martha Martindale, creative input. God rest your soul, Martha. The cocoa pate was awesome, says Mike Crump from Dallas, Texas. Sue and Rosenblum love the cocoa pate. Rosenbaum Hospitality. Dining is and always was a great artistic opportunity, said the late and great Frank Lloyd Wright. And we thank you for sharing this time and allowing us in your world while you're digitally dining. Stop by sometime and visit us at www.culinarycouture.com.